everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Cassie Essery, and this is Learn With Us. Today, I am giving you a crash course on how to make a video and publish it to YouTube. Now, I've had a lot of people messaging me and asking, how do you make your videos? Because we are in this very weird time of social distancing, and the talk about distance learning is very realistic. So I want to preface that I'm not sure how this will look or work at all. Some people may be doing some sort of video call chat, or you may be making a video and then sending it to your students. So today I'm just showing you the basics of how to make a video and how to send it to them. So if that's something you're interested in, then keep on watching. So I know you probably have a ton of questions about what kind of equipment you need, and so I'm here to hopefully put your mind at ease and let you know that you don't need a lot. When I started this channel, I was using my phone. That's it. I did every single thing on my phone, which is kind of crazy. I recorded my videos and I edited them on my phone. So if I can do that, then you can do this. So number one, you need a camera. Luckily for us, we live in the age where everything has a camera. Things we don't even want to have a camera. You probably have one on your phone. You may have your own actual camera. You probably have one on your tablet or a little webcam on a Chromebook, a laptop, anything. You just need something that can record your face. Number two, you need a microphone. If you're gonna get your district to spring for anything, you need good audio. As you know in the classroom, it's very important for your students to actually be able to hear you. The hardest part about using my phone to film was the microphone part. It was fine, but it wasn't great. You can go back to my first video to see it. Not like it's terrible, but it's okay. But you can get a lot of microphones online nowadays that will help improve your audio significantly. And they will plug right into your phone or device or whatever it is. Of course, you can always try videotaping yourself and seeing if the audio is okay, because if it is, then you don't need one. But I have one and it is fabulous. I will link below some more affordable options if you want one that's a lapel mic that can clip to you so that you only have your voice. That might be the best bet. Just another quick thing to think about. Background. Kind of think about your classroom. You only want things around that will help them or at least not terribly distract them. So just keep that in mind. So now for the filming part. I know a lot of you are probably nervous, and I definitely have to have a few takes because I'm stumbling over my words all the time, and that is the beauty of editing. You can just get rid of that. But if it intimidates you to be on camera or talking to a camera, then practice. FaceTime your relatives, your friends. We are in this time where you can't even see your friends, so FaceTime them or Skype or whatever it is. You will get in the habit of talking to a camera and it will feel a little more natural. So when you are recording your lesson, make sure you also have footage of what it is you are doing. You don't have a document camera or a projector to be able to teach from behind you while you're doing this, although that would be cool. If you could do this in your classroom while you're doing that, then that would make this 10 times easier. But if you don't have that option and you are teaching from home, then show yourself doing that thing. You may need to enlist some help from somebody in your house or set up the camera behind you, showing what it is that you are doing. Not only is this essential for the actual teaching part, but it does also keep engagement. So those are just a couple of things to think about while you're filming. Now for the editing. If you're planning on using some sort of Apple device, then iMovie is a great, simple, easy to use program. So like I said, I've used my phone to edit a lot of my videos, but recently I was gifted with this beautiful iPad Pro, and so this is what I'm using, and it's easier to show you because it's bigger, but like I said, you can do all of this from your phone. Okay, so first I'm going to click on the iMovie icon and click the plus for a new movie. Then it pulls up all of the videos that I have currently on this device. So if you film on your phone or on an iPad or something like that, then it will automatically be here. If it's not, then you need to send it to the device some way. Now I can just select the videos that I want and create movie. A little trick to fast forward is push and hold on one side. Something to keep in mind is that I really like to have the audio on. See how that changes? This makes it easier for me to see when I'm actually talking, and that way I don't have to just listen to the whole thing to find out when I'm coming in. Sometimes I take a break too, and you can tell right on these flat lines, and that is dead space. That we'll get rid of that later. So now that I have my video content on here, I am going to be editing out all of the extra stuff that I don't need. Now it sounds a little complicated, but it's really simple. You just need to remember split and delete. Split, delete, split, delete. That's it. Super simple. You got this. Clearly, I don't need this first part right here. So I'm going to drag this line to the part where I want it to split, touch it, and right here with the scissors, it says split. Okay, now guess what? I don't need that. So I'm just gonna come over here to the little trash can and click delete. Ta-da! Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Like I said, there are plenty of times that I mess up, and here's an example of me messing up and how to get rid of it. But we don't really know what's gonna happen in the coming, I know it seems a little weird. Yeah, all of that, we're gonna get rid of that. So I'm gonna drag it to the part where I want it to stop, split, and all of that was just mess ups. So I'm gonna drag it to where it starts again and split. Select that part right in the middle and delete. Now it will transition from one part to another. For classroom teachers, but I know it seems a little weird that I'm making a video. See? Gone, just like that. So, like I said before, you can see that this is all dead space. There is nothing happening. We don't need that, so all I need to do is to bring it to this part, select, split, and delete the extra. I've used my phone to... Now, how to share it with your students. I personally recommend uploading it to YouTube. Now, before you get scared, there is a way where you can have a video on YouTube, but it's not out there for the whole world to see. Also, bet you didn't know that you already have a YouTube channel. What? If you have a Google email address, which most school districts do connect through Google, then you already have a YouTube channel. Yep, you just log into YouTube and then sign in as your email. And then from there, you can just upload from iMovie to YouTube directly. Let me show you how that works. Click done, and there is this little share button. Pull it up, click on YouTube, and now you can title it, change the description to let your students know what this is really about. Now, like I said, some of you are scared. You don't want the whole world to see you on camera. It was scary enough as it is recording on camera. Now the whole world has to see it? No, don't worry about that. There's actually a way where you can share your video with your students, but not have the whole world have access to it. So you see this part right here where it says privacy? Yeah, pretty awesome. You can choose to publicly share your work. You can keep it private where only you can see it, or you can make sure that it is unlisted. So it is on there and anyone who has the link can see it. So you can send the link to your video to your students and only the people with the link can see it. So it's not out there for the whole world to see, but just for your students. So for your first video, pick something fun. One of my coworkers did a video of like her daughter and her dog. Maybe even try your first one being a message to your students. Maybe you haven't seen them in a while and you just want to say hi. Just practice once or twice, recording, editing, uploading a video, and the more you do it, the easier it will be. So that is it for today. I hope that this helps you. Like I said, I will link items down below that you can check out or send to your district if you're like, hey, I need a microphone. I just want to give you confidence and show you that you can do it. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next Tuesday. Bye.